Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Plextone DX6, which is a 3 hybrid driver hi-fi earphones from Plextone. So in this video, let's unbox this beast and quickly review it on the tech show. So let's start, shall we? So this is the DX6, the premium earphones by Plextone. As you can see, it is written Plextone Xmowi, which is the entire department for Plextone, and the MRP quoted here is 2,999, but you can get this earphone on Amazon for 1,999. The country of origin is China. So let's unbox this piece. The packaging looks very different from the G series lineup because again they have a gaming one and this is professional packaging. So let's bring our unnecessary black scissor and cut the plastic off. Cutting the plastic gets us to the slider box. So let's open the box and you can see this box experience is really incredible. The beautiful packaging is here, DX6, and on the left side you have wire and nothing at the back side. So let's unbox this one. So first of all, this is the wire which is detachable. Again, that's really cool. So first let's remove the earphones itself, that is the ear tips, and it comes with this nice box. Open the plastic lid and there you have it, 3 hybrid drivers ear tips. So the design looks very nice. So it has 3 cylindrical shapes showing that it has 3 hybrid drivers. The DX6 is printed. There's no magnet and this seems to be plasticky. Now you're going to have your left and right one, and this is nice. You have left and right coated in the front instead of the back. Also under the hood you have some leaflet which includes the warranty information, and as you can see it says 1 year of warranty. Also you get the manual which is in Chinese. So you get this Chinese manual and it is nicely printed with diagrams showing your DX6. Now let's revolve the other box which says accessory, and this is a DX6 printed. Again, very nice packaging I would say, and the box is also printed in all the sides. So again, premium earphones deserves premium box. And here you can see you get various ear tips for your sizes, so you can change if the one doesn't fit. Also you have the surprisingly thing, this is cable, and you can see it nicely printed that this is a detachable cable to the driver itself. Again, let's remove this up. Now this seems to be a special cable. This is not a Kevlar fiber, but this is a different kind of cable. So let's remove it up and there you have it. Now this seems to be very cool thread-like wire, and this has a nice in red and black design. Also you have your remote which doesn't have slider this time around, which is on the button. Also you have very nice quality gold plated connectors. So this goes here and you have remote again with one single button and one mic, no slider this time around. Also you get the splitter mode on the review side of things, and you have this 3.5 mm thick gold plated connector which is more durable this time around. Nice Plextone. So guys, now let's connect this wire to the ear tips. So you have this ear tips. Now it has right and left indicator, so we should basically match the wire indicator with the ear tips indicator. So let me have a look at it closely. So this is for the right, I guess. So this seems to be for the right. Let's connect, let's screw it in and push it a little bit, and there you go, it gets connected. Now it's delicate I would say, so you shouldn't be fiddling it with all day around or it will just break. And again you have another indicator. So now let's connect the left one, and there you go, push it a little bit and it gets connected. So now you have this right in left DX6 ear tips. You have DX6 printed here, and overall nice cylindrical design. So I will use this earphone for some time now, and we'll be back with my full review. Shall we? So guys, I'm using this DX6 for a while now, and I'm absolutely in love with these earphones. This is the best sounding wired earphones I tried since Mi In-Ear Headphones Pro. So I don't have Mi In-Ear Headphones Pro right now, but it was my favorite and bestest premium headphones from Xiaomi. And Plextone just takes it forward. The sound quality on this DX6 is just incredible. The bass, the treble, everything is just perfect. And this three hybrid driver setup, which they call, is just awesome. It's super loud. You can see they also made this three cylindrical shape so that it looks like it's three drivers. But the tech under it is just amazing. And this is again the loudest earphones I've ever tried. And I'm using a G15 earlier before. This was my earphones since they sent me this, and now my new favorite choice of earphones is DS6. So I'm a music enthusiast and I'm picky about earphones. So when they G20 gave me G20, I didn't like the treble. Bass was good, but again DS6 just takes us forward. So they're as good as G15, but even better and louder. So this is not just designed for gamers. This is for music enthusiasts. So the high price is justified by the sound quality. And again, there is no extra desktop adapters, but if you connect this to desktop, this is the best desktop premium earphone you can ever buy. So this is not just for gamers, but for premium say music editors or video editors. They just sound very, very good. Now at high volumes I found distortion. Now I found the same distortion with the G15, but it's a little bit more because of the three hybrid setup. So it requires more power. So if you have a DAC in your mobile or PC, there will be no distortion. For example, this is the Xiaomi Mi A1, and this has special DAC in it. So you can see high quality audio by combining the dedicated amplifier and advanced direct HD sound. So basically this has a special DAC inbuilt for audio. And when I paired this with the Mi A1, oh my god, it was just amazing experience. Even on full volume, it didn't distort it at all. I wish they could add the G20 filter in the DX6. So if I recall, the G20 was having a special filter in which it even didn't say it didn't came, like the noise didn't came even in the desktop or my Mi A2. So sadly my Mi A2 doesn't support this direct HD sound, so there's a little bit of distortion when you are up 100%, while when you're 80 or 70% there's no distortion at all. And if you have this kind of setup like direct sound or Dolby Atmos, then this earphone is really the best you could get. And now let's talk about the build quality. Now build quality is okay. If I compare it with the G15, they are metal. They are metal and magnets. There's no magnet at all, and this is a plastic design. Now I don't know why they went with the plastic, because again this is a premium earphone, so we expect more better quality. The Mi In-Ear Headphones Pro was much better when it comes to build quality, and you have now a gold-plated 3.5mm headphone jack, which is just amazing. And you also get a new wire quality, which is stronger than G15, but it is not as strong as the Mi In-Ear HD Pro because they were Kevlar fiber. So Plextone, this is amazing earphones. All you need to do is just add a Kevlar fiber cable and metal design, and you could even price it around 2,500 because they sound really at that level. And now let's talk about the overall experience. I like this earphones, and this is my new favorite earphones of choice. Now I'm using this Mi A2 with my Mi A2. Now let's talk about the burn-in. So if you know that the more you use earphones, the more it gets better because of burn-in. So even if you use it further, it gets better and better. With my few days with it, daily when I use it, I found it to be much better. So that's great. Also, you have new detachable cable design. So you can just detach this cable and you can change this cable. Now this cable is sold separately. So in the DS6 box, which I unboxed, you can see this is a separate box. So you can basically order a new wire, and without spending much money, you could get your earphones with new wire. So this is nice kind of modular setup, and I'm looking forward for ordering the next wire version of this earphone, which is amazing. And there you go, I just attached. Now the design is not comfortable. I would say G15 was comfortable. Still, G15 is not as comfortable as Xiaomi earphones. Another thing that I want to mention is the sound splitter. Oh yeah, the sound splitter. This is not just a remote, because the remote is this way. This is a sound splitter. Now, if you recall, when I do Xiaomi earphones review, I always say they do some kind of magic, some kind of sound separation with the bass and treble, that it sounds excellent. And Plextone did mention that this splitter does the same. So it separates the bass and treble and makes it more clear and spacious, and it sounds just incredible. So this earphone is for premium audio enthusiasts, and if you have a better direct support like the Mi E1, or even your high-end desktop or laptop has Dolby Atmos or some kind of heavy DAC, or you can just buy a dedicated DAC amplifier and add it into a PCI Express slot. So that's pretty much for this video. DS6 is my new favorite headphones of choice. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.